In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite anyone to Microsoft Teams meeting. Microsoft Teams has become an indispensable tool for collaboration, and often, you'll find yourself needing to bring external participants, such as clients, partners, or even friends and family, into your online sessions. The good news is that Microsoft Teams makes this process incredibly straightforward, ensuring that anyone can join your scheduled meetings, regardless of whether they have a Teams account or even a Microsoft 365 subscription. This flexibility is key to seamless communication and broader collaboration, allowing you to connect with anyone, anywhere. Let's walk through the simple process step by step, so you can confidently invite anyone to your next Teams meeting with ease. To begin, once you are inside your Microsoft Teams application and viewing the meeting you wish to share, your first action will be to locate and click on the three-dotted line icon. This icon, often referred to as the More Actions or Options menu, is a universal symbol in many applications for revealing additional choices. In Teams, you'll typically find it within the meeting interface itself, usually near the top or bottom bar, where other controls like microphone and camera toggles reside. Clicking it will open a small drop-down menu, presenting you with several options related to the meeting's settings and information. After clicking the three-dotted line, a menu will appear. From this list of options, you'll want to find and select Meeting Info. This particular option is crucial because it consolidates all the necessary details about your current meeting into one accessible location. Think of it as the central hub for your meeting's specifics, including the critical join link. Selecting Meeting Info will typically display a panel or a pop-up window that presents a summary of the meeting, along with the very important link that allows people to join, among other relevant details. Now that you have the meeting information panel open, you're almost ready to invite your external participants. Within this panel, you will clearly see an option labeled Copy Join Info. This is the key action. When you click this button, Microsoft Teams automatically copies all the essential details required to join the meeting to your clipboard. This typically includes the direct link to the meeting and sometimes additional information like the meeting ID and passcode if applicable, though the direct link is usually sufficient for most users to get into the call. Once the join information is copied to your clipboard, you are free to share it through any communication channel you prefer. You can paste it into an email to send to your clients, drop it into a chat message for a quick invitation, or even add it to a calendar invitation if you're scheduling the meeting formally. It's a versatile link that anyone can use to enter your meeting directly through their web browser or the Teams app, even without a personal account.